Hey guys, Scott from scottsweb.dev here. Today we're going to talk more about page speed and how to get a better page speed score. One of the main things that Google will complain about is JavaScript or JavaScript files slash libraries, particularly if you're including third-party libraries in your page. I like to use Slick Slider and Big Picture a lot, so I use this trick to defer these scripts until the page is finished loading. And that's the ultimate goal for page speed, is to load only what's necessary at on page load, and then after the page is finished loading you can then load whatever you need to. It makes your website much faster and snappier, and we are going to be loading our scripts the WordPress way. And when we're working in WordPress, we want to use the WordPress environment as much as possible. So here is an example of how we would enqueue Big Picture library, and you can use this on local scripts too. We give it a script ID, and then the script source, its dependents, a version, and then this parameter right here tells WordPress to load it in the footer. I always load mine in the footer. jQuery I always load up as high in the page as possible because all the other JavaScript depends on jQuery. Um, so you load only what you need to. Everything else you can load in the footer, and you can load it deferred. Unfortunately, there's no way to directly edit the script tag's HTML to add a defer attribute. So we want to add a filter that adds this defer attribute for us. So I've created this function here. We add the filter to the script loader tag, and then we run it through this function to apply the defer attribute. Inside this function, we have an array of script IDs, and what it's going to do is check this array and see if your script ID is in this array. If it is in that array, it's going to do some string manipulation and replace the source with defer in front of it. So you get the defer attribute and then your source, and it's going to return it. If it's not in this array, it's just going to return the tag untouched. But doing it this way, we'll have Big Picture here loaded deferred. So jQuery and everything else loads first. Big Picture and Slick Slider will be in the footer, and they will be deferred so that they load when the page finishes loading. It's a really nifty way to get your JavaScript compliant with Lighthouse and have Lighthouse not complain about it. I'll copy this code in the description of the video or on my website so that you can copy it. And you can use this with as many scripts as you need to. Um, Along with my other page speed videos, I hope this helps you get your page speed score up. It is possible to get in the high 90s, even 100. I've done that before. Let me know if this video was helpful for you. If it was, please drop a like or subscribe to my channel. And we have lots more how-to videos coming up. Thank you.